Welcome to Cooking with Al. Today we're going to make a chicken, potato and olive tray bake. One tray and it all comes together in about an hour. So it's the perfect midweek meal. You can use different cuts of chicken. Today I'm using chicken thigh cutlets. You could also use chicken thigh fillets. You can use chicken legs. So it's very versatile. You can actually even use a whole chicken if you liked. But pretty much all you do is you throw the chicken, the potatoes and the garlic into the tray. You pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Then you pull it out, you add a bit of stock powder, pasta sauce and some olives, and then you put it back in the oven to cook. And that is it. So let's get cooking. Okay, first step, I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil over the chicken cutlets that I've put in the tray, and I've put them in skin side up. Then I'm going to throw in some whole peeled garlic cloves just around the tray, very haphazardly. And then I'm going to cut the new potatoes or baby potatoes in half, and I'm just going to throw those around the tray. Now I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees. I was just checking if it was 200 or 220, but it's 200. And I'm going to bake it there for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once that's done, I'm going to turn the potatoes over, and then I'm going to throw in a bit of chicken stock powder, a bottle of pasta sauce, and about a quarter of a cup of olives. But that's really up to you and how many olives you like. If your family doesn't like olives, don't add them. I'm actually cooking this for someone else tonight as well, and so they don't like olives, and I'm going to throw in some chorizo. So you can adapt this recipe to whatever you like, but the basic version is chicken, garlic, potatoes and the pasta sauce. Get creative. Anyway, I'm going to pop this in the oven now for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, so that's been 25 minutes and the chicken and the potatoes are starting to brown up quite nicely. I'm just going to turn the potatoes over, season it with some salt and pepper. And then add some chicken stock powder. Just adds a little extra flavour. And literally, I am going to throw in a jar of pasta sauce. This one's got basil, this one's got some roast veggies in it. Do half of that one. Now, if it gets a bit dry in the oven, don't be afraid just to add a bit of boiling water. It's fine because you do want those potatoes to cook in a bit of the liquid. So try and push them down. I can feel they've already started to become a bit tender. Once you've just knocked down all those yummy potatoes, I'm going to throw in the olives. Okay, this is going to go back into the oven for about another half an hour, I think. So I'll see you back here then and we'll serve up. All right, so the chicken's out of the oven and it looks and smells delicious. The beautiful basil smell from the pasta sauce is wafting up. I'm just going to do a little taste test. Maybe I'll take this one. The cooking time will vary depending on the size of your chicken pieces. So mine did take close to an hour to cook. But literally one pan, it was the easiest thing. So before we serve, I'm just going to throw over some parsley, chopped up parsley, and some parmesan. And I have just going to do a little taste test. So grab one of these scrumptious potatoes. And I have the chicken here. There it is. Really tender. For something that you've just thrown into a tray and left it to cook, really nice flavours.
the garlic is really shining through as well. So how easy is that? I really hope you give this one a go, and I really hope you enjoy.